Hi everyone, I am Quadri Badru and I am currently a student of the University of Illinois, the finalist, and I'll be graduating very soon. Then I learned about the D-Brown Consulting Analyst Bootcamp through LinkedIn of a connection, and it's been a while, yeah, like 6 weeks now, and financial modeling, I've been learning for a while now. But after the bootcamp, I was introduced to new tricks like flag and mask instead of nested is and all the tricks I have learned, I believe that I'm a better modeler than I was now. And though I've taken some courses before, but I feel this is the best for me because it was actually taken from the scratch. He used a company and we built from the scratch to the top. So it's actually a very good one. If, thanks to David Brown and Babatope Adeyo, they were very helpful during the course.